Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to download DaVinci Resolve 19 on Windows. Firstly, open your web browser and navigate to Blackmagic Design official website. On the home page, locate the Support or Download section in the top navigation menu. Select DaVinci Resolve under their software options. In the Download section, you'll see two versions, DaVinci Resolve 19 free version and the paid version. Just click the download button for the version you want. A pop-up will ask you to choose between Windows, macOS or Linux. Select your operating system and fill in the required details. Submit the form to start the download. Once the download is complete, just locate the installer file in your downloads and run it to install DaVinci Resolve. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.